Have you ever been there? Your kid screaming on the floor, kicking, wailing, people staring, silently judging, questioning your parenting, a full-blown meltdown from the kid, and a complete nervous breakdown for you. Temper tantrums can be overwhelming, but today we'll explore effective strategies for managing them. Hi, I am Sonam Kundhiya, an early childhood educator and psychology counselor. We'll explore why tantrums occur, what triggers them, and learn practical strategies to help children aged 3 to 10 manage their emotions effectively. Let's dive in. Understanding tantrums. Tantrums are not just random outbursts. They are your child's way of communicating when they feel overwhelmed. They signal unmet needs like frustration, sadness, or the need of attention. Recognizing that these outbursts are a normal part of development allows us to approach them with empathy instead of irritation. When we see a tantrum as a message, we open the door to understanding and guiding our children towards better emotional regulation. Common triggers of tantrums. Several factors can trigger a tantrum. Hunger can make a child irritable, while tiredness can reduce their ability to regulate emotions. Overstimulations from noisy, crowded environments can leave them feeling overwhelmed. Frustration from challenges, a lack of control when choices are limited, and even the need for extra attention can all spark a meltdown. By identifying these triggers, you can often address the underlying needs before a tantrum escalates. Handling tantrums in younger children. For younger children, staying calm is essential. Model a gentle tone by saying, "I see you are upset because you can't play with that toy," which validates their feeling. Use distraction by redirecting their attention to a favorite game or a song, and offer simple choices like choosing between 2 cups to give them a sense of control. Introduce basic emotion words to help them eventually express how they feel instead of resorting to a meltdown. These strategies lay the foundation for better emotional self-regulation. Handling tantrums in older children. With older children, tantrums might manifest as sulking, arguing, or withdrawing. Encourage open communication by asking, "What made you so upset today?" Teach problem solving by working together on solutions, and introduce calming techniques like deep breathing or counting slowly. Establish clear rules and reinforce positive behavior when they manage their emotions well. These approaches empower older children to express their feelings constructively and develop long-term emotional resilience. Managing a tantrum in the moment. When a tantrum is in full swing, your calm presence is the key. Speak in a soft, reassuring tone and ensure your child's safety by moving them to a quieter space if needed. Acknowledge their feelings with the phrases like, "I know you are very upset now," and offer a choice such as taking a few deep breaths together. Sometimes, if the child is safe, it may be best to let the outburst run its course while you provide a quiet support. This approach helps de-escalate the situation and sets the stage for recovery. Post-tantrum reflection and learning. Once your child has calmed down, use the moment for reflection. Gently discuss what happened by asking, "What do you think? What made you so upset?" Teach alternative ways to express emotions, like saying, "I am frustrated," instead of resorting to a meltdown. Reinforce positive behavior by praising any effort made to manage their feelings constructively. This reflection helps your child understand the connection between their emotions and actions, setting them on a path to better coping strategies in the future. When to seek professional help. While tantrums are a normal part of childhood, there are times when additional support is needed. If your child's tantrums become frequent, last longer than 30 minutes, or involve self-harm or aggression, it may be a time to consult a child psychologist or a counselor. Professional guidance can provide tailored strategies to ensure your child develops healthy emotional regulation skills and overcome persistent behavior challenges. In conclusion, handling tantrums is not just about stopping a meltdown. It's about guiding our children to understand and manage their emotions. By recognizing triggers, applying age-appropriate strategies, and turning challenging moments into learning opportunities, we build strong emotional resilience. Thank you for joining me today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more parenting hacks. See you in the next one.